Hi guys, today I'm going to be setting off my Tesla's alarm system. Somehow. No, it's not. Yeah. Right, it's not recording, as you can see probably. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of hard to do it though. But yeah, no, it's recording me. It's recording. Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see how I can get it started for you.
Okay. My dad's going to go try because it's recording because it's pulsing. That's not gonna do it. That is not gonna do it.
Set security activated.
No, it says sentry activated. It's recording you, but other YouTubes can't do it because it's hard to do it. Someone did a body slap on the bonnet and see if that works. It's not a sensitive car. It needs to be better than that. It needs to be better.
Try it. You don't want to break it.
Yeah, no, but it's recording you. Oh, let me try. Daddy, I'm gonna try with me superpowers. Is it still recording me? It's not doing it because it's not recording anymore. Yeah, no, because it's that pulses when it's recording you, and then I need a hard slap. I need a cushion. Guys, do you think this needs to be a bit more sensitive? I'm blocking one of the cameras. Cat! Ah, it's dirty! Before it was very shiny and clean, now it just ruined it because it's dirty. What can I do? I want to look sus, so I'm going to wait until these come past. Yeah, give me a key. I don't think it's recording anymore. Wait, let me see, is it recording? Does it say it's recording on screen?
No.
Right.
Yeah.
But now it does. Shout at it. Shout it in my That is a Model X over there, by the way. Just a kicked wheel.
Open it. Right, lock me in.
I can't. You gotta go in the passenger seat because it's sensitive. It knows if you're in the passenger seat and it won't lock. So Dad's gonna attempt to scream. Right, my dad's locked. I gotta get away from the car since it is sensitive. I'm a classmate. Dad's gonna Dad's just sat in there politely. Yeah, I've got it. Get it recording. Well, that kind of helped, wasn't it?
Let's go, yeah. It's loud, that.
Yeah, no. What, have you heard music? It's like, oh! Shall I try and face my fears and do it? I'm gonna try and face my fears and do it. Yeah.
What I did is I tried to open the door.
Right, so you leave.
Gotta wait till I'm away.
Yeah, no, and then you're gonna leave a card over there. The other thing when it starts recording is when you pull the handle, so you gotta leave a card over there, do it and then get back to it.
You need to don't leave that card over there because someone picks that up or it blows away and we'll lose.
Oh, great heavens. Guys, comment in the thing if it's alright. If you've only if you've experienced a test before. This car's serious, bro. I think it's somewhere out here. But it's not, unfortunately. "60 seconds, I forgot about that. Keycard fell out. What? Do that? When I'm showing sign.
You have to leave the card over there and then come back.
I can't because there's people around.
I know, just leave it on the bench.
Oh, I don't. I'll just keep hold of it. When it activates, do a little booty shake it when it happens. He's not having it. You're not having it, you know. How did you open thing? How did you
do it? You've got to pretend to open it so it comes up, and then you've got to open it from the inside.
So like that?
Yeah.
But I still don't want to do it.
It's alright, you don't have to do it if you don't want to.
It just kept saying manual door release used.
Don't mess with maps or nothing. We need to go back soon.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Trying to look at Central Mode footage, but it. Guys, I wanna Hi.
Hmm?
Hi.
What are you doing now?
Boombox.
Megaphone. Hello! Hey!
Wait.
What's that?
I put it on. What's it? What's that?
That's old hard.
Yeah.
Well, I never.
Wait, do it. Keep it like that, keep it like that.
Toss a coin to the witcher.
What's that? Oh.
I love that one.
Yeah. It only opens itself. It just pops open. It can't close itself. You've got to manually close it.
Have you got the card?
Right, we're going back now.
In a minute, yeah. We've nearly been an hour.
Wait. Get out. Get out. Car.
It's in the car.
Is it? It is funny, isn't it, guys?
Well done it. Hello, mate.
Great heavens. It's on. It's playing it outside. Should we keep that on? Well, we're going now.
Yeah.
It's fun, that. You need your map
Have
on.
you turned that off?
No, it's playing outside. Look, it's playing outside. Jolly tune for everyone. Okay, this is how it drives, guys.
Now turn right onto Stanley Road.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go. This is it driving back to dealer. Should we stay there for a bit and like, so I can like do a lot of stuff with cars and stuff?
You can have a little pretend maybe for 20 minutes, not long. Dinner time. I'll get your a Subway or a Macca's, whatever you want.
Yeah, that's Subway.
Subway.
Now turn right onto Seymour Grove.
Mountain. I'll just hold.
Now turn right onto Talbot Road.
Yes, good driving, guys.